Hi everyone, New England Gardening here on this Friday, January 3rd, 2025 with the day La Roca fig cutting progress. You can see there probably about 6 inches of growth since I first noticed it breaking through the soil there, pushing up the medium. This Pro Mix, porous mix, and yeah, let's get that new pattern there on the leaf there, and I got another leaf or bud opening up, about to open up, and I have. Let's see if I can get some slack in this temperature probe here. Oh, it just came off. I have to put it back on. I've got some nice, I don't know if let's see if I can move this light here. I've got some nice white new growth for roots, a lot of secondary roots, and yeah, have some really good progress now. This is what it looks like. You can see the darker roots. Still having a problem with those soil gnats. Boy, this feels kind of light. Just gave it maybe a quarter of a cup of water over a week ago. Just gauging, the humidity is it's always in the 80s or upper 80s and 90s, 100% sometimes. But yeah, it looks like it's going to make it. And just wanted to document this. So I bought this cutting on September 28th. I think I had it in the fridge for 2 or 3 weeks, and when I got in the soil I didn't document that, but I noticed roots on November 18th, did a video on that, and the growth broke through on December 14th, I think. That's when I noticed it. So I was expecting some buds to pop through or attempt to go through the grafting tape there. I really haven't noticed anything, but I'm not complaining that it was just something that came up through the soil. So yeah, I just wanted to document that. The progress so far. Let's see, how was this? So this is New England Gardening on this Friday, January 3rd. And that's the De La Roca fig cutting progress. Thanks for watching.